pencil. Pencil. First, we have a pencil. We use it to write and draw. Razor. Razor. Next is the razor. If we make a mistake, the razor helps us fix it. Notebook. Notebook. We use it to write down our thoughts, draw pictures, and keep our notes. Crayons. Look at the crayons. They come in many colors and we use them to color and make our drawings bright and beautiful. Glue stick. This is a glue stick. It helps us stick papers together for our fun art projects. Scissors. Here are the scissors. We use them to cut paper, but remember, we need an adult to help us to use scissors safely. Ruler. This is a ruler. We use it to measure things and draw straight lines. Backpack. Backpack. It carries all our school supplies. We can put our books, lunch, and more inside. Water bottle. Here's a water bottle. It keeps us hydrated and helps us stay healthy. Remember to drink water every day. Lunch box. This is a lunch box. It keeps our food safe and tasty for our lunchtime at school. Folder. Look at the folder. We use it to keep our papers organized and safe. Sticky notes. Here are sticky notes. We use them to write reminders and fun notes. They stick anywhere we want. Chalk. This is a chalk. We use it to write and draw on chalkboards. It comes in many colors. Calculator. Look at the calculator. It helps us with numbers and math. Pencil case. Pencil case. It keeps all our pencils, crayons, and pens together in one place.